Hi everyone, it's time now to check out the weather for today, Tuesday, January 14th, 2020. This month is already almost half over, folks. Can you believe it? This is the 12-hour accumulated snowfall rate, and we got some snow coming for lots of people, folks. We'll turn it on and just let it run through right quickly. The heavy snow is going to impact much of the Northwest. There is a slight risk of excessive rainfall over parts of Mississippi. There will be a mixture of snow and rain and freezing rain over parts of the upper Midwest to the Northeast. Now, a lot of us still have these unseasonably mild to warm temperatures across the eastern U.S. Well, the bitterly cold temperatures are across portions of the Northwest and the northern high plains. And everyone that lives up and down the eastern seaboard, by Friday or Saturday, we are probably going to see a 30-degree drop in temperatures. As you can see, all this stuff is moving on through. Please be aware, winter is coming back for the eastern coast. We'll go ahead and take a look at some of these temperatures in this cold air. I told you a couple of weeks it was coming. It is coming, folks. This is wind chill. Wind chill. This is what it's like. You can see the timestamp up here. It's for today. We do have this cold air. Our friends in Canada's got some very cold temperatures going on. In some parts, minus 43 and 44. We'll click this on down as fast as we can here. I just want to show you when we get up to, okay, here's tomorrow. See, it's still warm. We'll click on through and get to Friday. Then we can see this cold air start to progress down. My goodness gracious, up here in Minnesota, minus 13, minus 11. Look at these temperatures over in Washington State. They're mostly in the 20s. Oregon, bless their hearts, 15, 22. Very, very, very cold as we come down. Looking like the northern part of Texas is going to be cold, while the southern tip's going to stay warm at this point by 17Z on Friday. But that will change. See how it's progressing on down. Over here where I live, at some point Friday, I'm going to see that big drop. Everybody else is too. Long Island looking like 11. Now, once again, this is the wind chill. This is what it's going to feel like outside. 12, 11. Look at Pennsylvania, 4, minus 2. Other parts of New York, minus 5, minus 3. Minus 14 and 15 up in parts of Maine. Connecticut, minus 2. So this is going to be some cold stuff coming down, and it's going to hang around. Winter is coming back for a lot of us. We have a little warm spurt that tries to come up with a system coming up from the Gulf, but it's not going to last too long, as you can see. Just a day or so, and the cold air starts to come back down. Now, as it does, about a week from now, as we move on down, you can see this is going to start to progress and go as far as Florida. Far as Florida. Look at this in the panhandle. You guys, 27. Over here, 21 degrees. This is the wind chill. This is what it's going to feel like. You can see over here in Connecticut, minus 8, minus 6. We'll come over to Oklahoma, up in here, 6 degrees. Cold, cold stuff up in Minnesota, minus 23, minus 26. Very cold stuff that's going to be coming by the 21st as it moves on down. How long will it stay? Well, it's looking like daytime temperatures in the Florida Panhandle up in this area, 31. We got 38, 36. You're going to be in the 30s for the most part, with the mid part of Florida hanging around in the 40s and the 60s down at the very tip. So this cold weather is coming, folks. We'll have a cold shot come in Friday or Saturday of this week for everybody along the eastern coast. Look at New Jersey here, 5 degrees. You get to northern New Jersey, you get in the minus. You get in the minus temperatures. This is later on, though, as you can see on the 22nd, but we will have this cold shot of air coming in this weekend. Then we'll have a brief, maybe 2 to 3 days of a little bit warmer temperatures. Then this big blast of Arctic cold air is going to come down, and it's going to affect much of the United States. So far as severe thunderstorm weather today, we do have this little chance here coming up, marginal, from portions of Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. It's looking like mostly wind and the possibility of hail from lower Mississippi Valley into northern Georgia. Now, the wind probability, what is it looking like right here? This is where the greatest chance of some severe winds. I think these will be updraft winds, folks. Updraft winds for the same area. Same area looking like if you do have some of these thunder showers to hatch up, here's your hail outlook. It will be at 5% in the very same areas. So you do need to pay attention. Watch your skies if you live in these sections of these states. Now we have the NAM map. This is what's going on for the next 3 days. As we turn it on, we do have out in the northwest a very active stretch of weathering as a pair of storms moving onshore from the Pacific Ocean. They're going to track through the region now. The fetch of the Pacific moisture advancing inland, coupled with the presence of Arctic air filtering south from southwest Canada, it's going to set the stage for significant winter weather impacts. You guys need to be prepared. Now, areas of heavy snow can be expected for interior Washington, Oregon, the northern Great Basin, and the central and northern Rockies going through Thursday. There's winter storm warnings up and winter weather advisories. They're already in effect across the Pacific Northwest and the Intermountain West as a result of these systems. Now, accumulating snow will even be possible for Seattle and Portland metropolitan areas. And with the cold air in place, it's expected to cause very treacherous and icy travel conditions in these areas. So please be aware. We got a quasi-stationary front situated from southern mid-Atlantic coast southwestward down across parts of the Tennessee Valley and the lower Mississippi Valley. It's forecast to move very little over the next couple of days, and this front will be the focus for numerous clusters of showers and thunderstorms, which I just showed you, which will be capable of producing very heavy rain, could cause some flash flooding, and of course we have a chance of some accelerated winds and hail. Furthermore, multiple areas of low pressure are going to track across the upper Midwest to the northeast through Thursday. Areas of light snow will develop over these areas with rain, freezing rain, rain in the south, likewise from the Midwest to the northeast. And so far as the temperatures go, I've already told you all about them. This unseasonably mild temperatures that some of us are experiencing is going to continue with daily high temperatures in the southern plains through the southeast, as I showed you, but they will be dropping by Friday or Saturday, so please be aware. That's a check of your weather today. Thanks so much for checking the weather forecast with me today. I appreciate it a lot. Please stay safe, my folks. This snow's going to be a mess out northwest, and then the ice is going to start to come up, as you can see, in parts of Nebraska, Kansas, Iowa. It's just going to be a mess for the next few days as these systems move across. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I would appreciate it so much. Click the bell, check off all, and don't forget to comment, like, and share this information with your family and friends. I would appreciate it greatly. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Stay safe and stay warm. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.